Hi everyone, my name is Urvin and I am making this video to demonstrate my task 5.1p in which I have used Open API documentation using Swagger. So in this task, the objective was to implement proper API documentation for the robot controller API. So first of all, I copied the robot controller API project from the previous task and have installed this Swashbuckle project manager. And in the command line interface, and after that I configured the Swagger services inside the program.cs. Let me show you in the program.cs. These are the Swagger services. So now, as we can see, the API launches successfully without any errors, and I will now and there's also Swagger documentation page available in the browser. So the next thing I did is I customized the Swagger interface by adding themes, custom CSS styling, and a Deakin logo. As you can see, I have used in this in in the program.cs. You can see I have used the theme newspaper.css. This is one of the styling page that I have used for the Swagger. So then I in so now the interface was customized. I have already explained. So I also enabled XML documentation commands by modifying the project file and setting generate document file to true so that I can include XML comments inside the Swagger configuration. So after enabling those commands, I documented all API endpoints using the summary tags, parameters, descriptions, response codes. As you can see, the endpoint description parameter example request body such as 201, 400, 409, 404. So these are the response. As you can see, these are the XML comments that will be described in the Swagger UI. So this was the whole task, and finally I have generated all the required files, which were the program.cs, the XML file, and the swagger.json. So this task helped me how Open API documentation works and how Swagger simplifies the API testing without any use of the Postman or any other external application required, and how XML commands improve the code quality and documentation for a developer. Thank you for watching.